Sanibonani, hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nomaswazi Shabalala. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please do subscribe. Please don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so you can always be notified when I post a video. And like, comment, and share with the family and friends, darling. Welcome to a new vlog, another episode of VLOGTOBER, baby. And yeah, guys. When was the last time I vlogged? Yo, guys, as guys, like, I'm serious, but serious, man, you know. Saying I also had challenges. Yes, guys, there's only one thing. An emotion. Like, in cool. You understand? Like, I was coming along with this vlogtober thingy and vlogging, guys, and posting on time, and my episodes I'm like pambi. But that one day where I just stopped everything and I focused on one person, only to find out who's like uzong disappoint. And even today, I feel in any need your good and texting oh, about that day. Like, just for focusing to that person and everything just shatters. Like, you're willing to yo hey Lina, hey, I want to, but we are not there, we are here now. I'll fix everything. Everything will work out. And thank you for 400 subscribers, guys. I just found it out like this morning, but now I have 400 subscribers now. Thank you so much to everyone who has subscribed. And when I lo subscribe, you wena now. So currently it's 10:03. Yeah, 10:03. I'm about to wash the fridge. Guys, backstory of the fridge. There's no backstory. Honestly speaking, yesterday when I was washing the dishes later on, I thought, since I've been not vlogging and I don't know what content to bring, because honestly speaking, every time I'm doing one and the same thing, I don't have a routine like, I'm not a person who has plans besides going to school and besides staying at home and always being with my favorite person, and most of the time I don't vlog when I'm with my favorite person, so and that's where I spend most of my time, so but it's fine. So I'm going to wash the fridge. So yesterday, like, basically decided was going to wash because of some reasons. But yeah, my mom doesn't know, and my favorite person said, because of I said I'm going to wash it, I need to wash it. Yes, she might not know, but because I said I'm going to do it, let me do it. So I'm just said, okay, it's fine, I'll do it. So yeah, I'm doing it now. And yeah, guys, and then dealing with something like this. I'm not gonna show you in depth because I have a before and an after shot that I will show you when I'm done. I'm so sorry because I feel like I don't really have a safe place for them, but when I get to those parts here on the sides, I'll remove them and get a safe place for them so that I'll start for little catching, and then I put them back every G. You understand? Yes, sir.
Change the way you dress, the way you kiss, everything, cause you are scared that I might leave you. Oh, why should I leave you? Baby, please don't talk to me that way. Don't talk to me that way. Cause I think you're perfect for me, just the way you are. And I don't
guys, once again. I know I'm wrong. I know that. But as you've seen, guys, I watched the fridge, and after that I was tired. Honestly, I was hungry because I didn't make food before get clean. So, and bese ngilambile lokho ukuthi angisakwazi kubekezela, yabo. And then I couldn't have stamina sokushoota anymore. And then I ate, and then yeah. So I just showed you when I was doing a poster for tomorrow. I'm going to present. So here, owning this poster. I don't know how to draw to save my life. Yeah, but I tried. It's for Africans, and I guess guys, Africans so enjoy. It's okay. So I'm going to practice shortly to get ready for a dialogue tomorrow, because we'll be presenting these charts firstly, and then introducing yourself in Afrikaans, and then do a dialogue. So yeah. So yeah, that's all. Umama mgcinisekile guys, ufike ngasikudala. So I don't know if she noticed. Like she just asked ukuthi did I open the fridge, did I clean it, because she sees some difference, but I feel like she's not sure what she's speaking about or talking about, so I'll just let her be sure. And yeah, plans got to put my, so I'll just wait for her. Probably I'll tell her and confirm no getting it, or and just say as a one gale vlog. I think I should just keep quiet and she'll just stay with the gale vlog. Injalo. So yes, I did clean your fridge, mom. I did. Yo guys, I can't thank you enough for all 400 subscribers. I feel like I should keep on be like, thank you for 400 subscribers. Thank you for 400 subscribers. Thank you. Like, thank you. It's like, you understand what I'm about. I understand. I hope you do. So yeah, we're on the road to 500 subscribers. I hope guys nizongisiza kule. Guys, yini into enhlulayo ukuthi nishare ama vlogs into enhlulayo to go and follow me on Instagram. Yini into enhlulayo ukuthi ni interact nami. I'm so mad. Honestly, do watch my vlogs, but why are you not commenting? Saying I take a bonaki, like I didn't change up. There's something wrong with you. Okay, wait. Because why, guys? Like why? Like I understand what's in it, so that people can interact and they can like, they can comment, they can share. Yeah, guys. Because yeah. But people are quick to let you know, no, your content is jan. Like maybe they're giving out okay, I don't take like criticism to grow your channel. I don't take anything bad, but why are you coming to me like in person and telling me about my content? Meanwhile, you can comment there and tell me about my content. Why? Ngimad vele ngikwatile ukuthi uyakhomenta kodwa like uyakhomenta kodwa utshela mina kodwa utsheli la uyibone khona. I don't have a problem with that. Yes, I know guys, I have short vlogs ish, but bese ningitshela ngiyaqhuqhuzeleka yini I ngiba motivated, yes, but yeah guys, it's fine. Yes, it's fine. But thank you for 400 subscribers. I really wish one day my views can balance with my likes, like they can hambiselana. They are gonna
You were there when I was here, falling like tears. You say you came, you didn't, don't have to pretend that you want me.
Nobody told me the road would be easy, and I don't believe he brought me thus far to leave me. Good morning, San Banani Bo, Ninjani. Yo, alright. Yo, guys. Yeah. We are feel it. I think I'm feeling it, and you must feel me at this point. Yeah, guys. I like to apologize for the vlogs. Honestly speaking, I like to apologize for the vlogs. Sorry, that was the text. I like to apologize for posting my vlogs. I'm like 5 minutes vlog, 3 minutes vlog. Like I just uploaded a vlog, man, but you guys are going to see it later on. It's like 4 minutes vlog, and I know you guys are going to be mad at me. I know that. I know, but I'm willing to I'll shoot more. I'm also thinking, guys, this vlog will be the first vlog whereby I'm going to shoot more than one day, which means if now we on vlog, we on vlog, but I think this vlog is gonna be from vlog 9 or vlog 10. I'm not sure, guys. I don't remember days now. So as for I'm not going to be posting every day, but I'm going to be posting long vlogs. I'm an episode as of like VLOGTOBER 2. Let's say, for example, it's gonna be, as you've seen by the title of this vlog already, so there's no need, but I need to explain, right? So if it's yesterday, I need to vlog it. If yesterday was VLOGTOBER 9, today it's VLOGTOBER 10, and another day it's gonna be VLOGTOBER 11, which means I won't be uploading every day, because zobe ngihlanganisile ivlog eyodwa ngayenza ngizobe ngihlanganise amalanga a-different ngayenza kube ivlog eyodwa. So please bear with me. So yeah, like I'm not willing to give up right now and go for October. I'm not. And thank you so much for 401 subscribers, guys. Thank you so much. Please share with your family and friends, and please definitely comment, guys. And I'll do better with my vlogging, and I'll do better with bringing up lit content and bang content. With that said, I hope you enjoyed this vlog as much as I enjoyed shut up with, guys. And with that said, I'm about to bath. Let me live interview. Peace.
Ridiculous. I'm sorry.
Oh, it's all right.
I see. Well,
ngikhathele guys, ngikhathele, angifuni nexi. I just want to drink a coffee. Ngene empedeni. I'm so tired. You saw me, I was walking out, being Puma. So I got back, I came back, and yeah, I'm so tired. I just finished washing the dishes, and yeah guys, I sorry, I don't know if I have to continue with the vlog or there's enough footage or enough length for what it be a vlog is sitting guy, you understand, but and your guys, yeah, so tired. I should have started with my assignment today, but because I thought tomorrow I'm going to school, no, let me not start, let me focus on Afrikaans. But I will start with my assignment tomorrow, but at least sengi highlights because I'm that person who highlights how before apal a assignment. I have to know what does it require me. You understand? I'm pendulum the straight or pendulum lento umbuzo on loma umbuzo eating whatever. But I just hope you understand what I'm trying to say. I'm so tired and I feel like talking to you guys, but at the same time I'm just like, what am I going to say to you, you know?